our soda spray on the 79 Formula 302